Hi, my name is Scott Krug with New England Low Vision and Blindness, and today I'm going to show you the UltraMag. So let's get right into it. The UltraMag is a portable handheld device, and it's for people who need to graduate from using something like this, which is a handheld optical magnifier, which only has one power. What's nice about the UltraMag is that it has variable powers on it. So let me grab something to look at. I'll grab a newspaper. And so when we have something like a newspaper, you have very large buttons on here, and you can easily increase the magnification from 2x all the way up to 30 times original size. And you also have a button in the middle of these two size controls which changes your backgrounds. So it really gives nice contrast for people who want to read a newspaper, a book, a magazine. And you even have the negative image and all of these assorted different colored combinations for reading information from day to day. What's nice about a portable magnifier like this is also the fact that it has a very nice handle. This is an extremely lightweight product. It's only about 8 ounces or so, and when you have it in the handle, you can also control the magnification, the increase and the decrease, just by using your thumb. What's also nice about this product is that you can take this handle and you can angle it like this. This would allow your hands to be free so that if you wanted to look at your nail, maybe file a nail down behind it, or if you had a pill bottle that you wanted to see behind here, you can grab it with the bottle with both of your hands and put it right behind the camera to read the information on these small pill bottles. So you have a lot of nice use with this handle. It's very easy to grip. It has a nice T-shape on it. The battery lasts about 3 hours. This product can also see things at a distance. So where I'm looking at this card or a placard on the wall, I'm going to press a button underneath here that will change it from near viewing to distance viewing, and that will brighten up quite a bit so I can zoom in on things at a distance. This product, not only being a near viewer, a distance viewer, but you can also output this information onto any of your monitors. So it has an HDMI port in the back. It also has an RCA port in the back, so you can display what you're seeing on your newspaper, what's normally on the screen, you can have it displayed onto your television or onto an HDMI monitor. It comes with this nice carry case, so it's very easy to bring from place to place with a little belt loop in the back. So I recommend taking a look at the UltraMag. If you'd like a free demonstration of the UltraMag, please contact us at the number that you see at the bottom of your screen.